The fashion side comes from being deprived of or affordability to afford new things.
So just going back to the whole branding thing, because like having done my research, I also figured out that you're also into fashion designing as well. So like Mobuga now, it's with everything that's going on with social media, like brands or artists need to be very visualized, and that's where you come in. Like, bro, I call you Mr. Paris, bro. Like, it's like this guy is always in. Like, go to Paris Fashion Week, you know what I mean? So for you and the designing part of Opry, like where does that stem from?
For me, dog, to be honest, the fashion side comes from being deprived of or affordability to afford new things. I lost my parents at a very young age. Like oversized. Like I literally had
maybe like 3 or 2 years ahead.
Yeah, because also I've been a skinny kid
for sure.
For the longest time, but so I was able to fit for the longest time up until I couldn't.
Yeah.